Hi there, my name is Edie Embry and I'm a broker here in Austin, Texas. Chances are you've heard that it is a seller's market here in Austin, Texas, and more than likely you've heard the stories about the crazy bidding wars. You might not have heard so much as why some of these homes are getting crazy offers while others are just simply selling. And that's sort of the purpose of our seminar, that we're going to talk to you about best practices to maximize the market and take advantage of what's happening here in Austin. People ask me all the time, do I even need to prep my home for sale in this kind of a market? And that is a great question, and that is definitely something that we'll go over in the seminar. The purpose of the seminar is really just to help you prepare, understand what to expect in the process, how to minimize your stress, how to avoid costly mistakes, and just best practices to make sure that the selling process is seamless for you. So we're going to share all of our secrets with you, secrets that have helped our clients to get those multiple offers that everybody wants, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We hope that you'll join us. It's absolutely free. There's no obligation to hire us. And if you'd like to join us, just go ahead and sign up on the link for Eventbrite, and we will see you online.